Okay, well, considering this hat has seen better days, it's time to lose it. I don't know what I go through more. What do you think? Hats, sunglasses, gloves, or t-shirts? I don't know. It's a close call between all of them. Alright, we're going back on the roof. And that'll hold that. Whoa, that's scary. It's a scary noise being up this high. It's a big moment. The roof is done. Capped, done. Now I just got the back of the house, the side and the deck. And the outside's done. I'm watertight. Long way from the trenches. I won't miss you, Peak. No, you will not be missed. Too old for this. Well, it's just about done. Weather tight. She is now weather tight. It's just the deck. Mission accomplished. Well, looks like I got off of this in the nick of time, this plank. It has certainly seen better days. Look at the warp in it too. Yeah. Yeah. Hey everyone, welcome to YEA-FRAME. I'm Captain Pete. I'm here to help you build unique A-frames like this that others will envy. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. After proving the design, I sold the prototype as a weather-tight, lockable shell with finished roofing and siding in need of a complete interior build-out. I then drew up some new floor plans that better suited the buyer's needs, provided some technical support, and they did a fantastic job finishing the interior of their new home. To find out more about YEA-FRAME, please click on the link in the description below. Stay tuned. You know me, it may take a while. I take my time, but I try to do it right. Bird all the time. Bird, 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 bird. I'm done climbing ladders, but you're not. So remember to build safely. Bird, bird, bird.